Yeah, we have two dinghies, two boats right now, helping that one sailboat that's dragging. But help would be appreciated.
Okay, I think that might be good for you on the blue hull. Whereabouts are you? Are you just over by the orange boat over?
Yes, that's correct. He's dragging you between the orange-red boat and the catamaran.
Okay, copy that. I'll come over in a few minutes and see if I can lend a hand over.
Thank you, over.
We are Chantal and Gary, and this is our home, Maracudja, a Beneteau 423. 2 years ago, we retired early to live our dream. We left our land home in Florida and sailed the Caribbean south to see new horizons. This season 3 and during the COVID pandemic, we find ourselves in Grenada, the Spice Island. So click the subscribe button and follow our journey.
This is regarding the vessel that's dragging in Port Louis area. The name of the boat is Bella.
I'm not sure what the name of the boat is.
The owner's name is Franck.
We've got we have a sailboat that's dragging down there. Whew, little emergency over here. We had some really bad squall. Oh, well. So he came right at us and missed us, and then he went between the orange sailboat, the red sailboat, and the catamaran. Gary jumped on his dinghy to go and slow down the boat and wasn't able to. And then Jeff from Jägermaster, he's on a cat down over there, a second cat over there. He went and helped out. And then another guy came from some other boat. I'm shaking. I'm so nervous. Whew. So now we got 3 boats. Oh, hey, we got another dinghy on his way. He's gonna go help out. Ugh. That's what's great about the sailing community. People help each other. The owner is not on the boat. He went to shore this morning. I think he's a single-handed guy. And so, I can't see anything. That's too bad. I wish I could see something. But he's right behind the catamaran over there. So I don't know if they're able to reset the anchor or what. I see Jeff. I think that's Jeff. Still not that we've been able to slow down the boat and reset the anchor. And that wind is blowing. I've got 24 knots now. We were worried about dragging. I'm glad I'm glad we're not the one doing it. I love my anchor, my God. And if we start dragging, then I'll start motoring. So at least I'm on board. I can do something. He's still dragging. Now it's en route to the black catamaran.
Anybody able to get hold of that boat owner?
We've got 3 dinghies right now trying to reset the anchor. He is en route for a big black catamaran. So hopefully they're going to be able to reset the anchor.
I was going to call over the yacht club over there. See if the owner was over there if they needed.
I don't know, I haven't heard.
Report over the yacht club or the Victory Bar. He goes to both places. Send him a WhatsApp and no response.
Okay, yeah, no, I'm just going to hang here until close past and I'll be back. standing by 6-8 in case anybody's sitting else. Up one.
Oh boy. Sailboat is still dragging en route now for the black gray catamaran in the back of the quarantine anchorage.
This is when I go to that catamaran, I'm one of them.
Oh my God. This is getting close to the catamaran. I guess there's nobody on the catamaran either. They're supposed to be there. Are they in quarantine? I don't see a flag though. Okay, he might go aside the catamaran. Where the heck is the owner?
This is a message to the gentleman that had called seaman concerning the island water on the telephone. Could you please hang your phone up? You have my line tied up.
More help out there with that boat drag quickly across together the catamaran. Anybody else able to help? Over.
No, I don't think so. I don't know.
That I do not know. I guess you'd have to use your own discretion, but I think they need to know because really
Don't hesitate to help other boaters regardless of your quarantine status. If necessary, just do it.
Okay, jumping in the dinghy. Thank you. Bye.
Wow. Okay, it looks like they avoided the black catamaran.
For those looking for stop,
Jeez. I have goosebumps. My gosh. With what's going on out there. It doesn't look like they're able to reset the anchor, and that is deep over there. I mean, I know at one point it gets to be like 40 feet, so I don't know if they're able to get that chain out. Got more help now. Meanwhile, this local is just fishing out of his little kayak that he came over here just by rowing. We're having like 6 dinghies helping that sailboat over there re-anchor, and this guy's just like, oh, I'm just gonna go fishing and I'm gonna go row to go there. He put his anchor down and he's just fishing. Good for him. Sheesh. And he just, bailed out his dinghy of all the water that was in there, and that's it. It's not raining, it's just windy. No big deal for him. Okay, what's going on with the sailboat now? Man, he's dragging still. It's hard to see, it's so far away now. And the wind, it looks like it came down. Yeah, I think the worst storm is over.
Jägermeister, this is Jaeger.
Jägermeister here. 6-9.
6-9.
Jägermeister.
Jägermeister.
he's out there now too.
I know, so I'm gonna go help them with the dinghy right now.
Okay, sounds good. So keep an eye on your fuel.
I will. Go back to 6-8.
Hey.
The black catamaran changed course. He pulled anchor, I guess, because he's moving. Went to a different location. There's like 8 dinghies over there now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a couple on the other side. 6, 7. I know Gary was on the sailboat. I don't see anybody in the front now, but I don't know if they have enough chain. It's really deep over there. They can't locate the owner of the boat. They said that he was maybe at 2 different locations. Somebody went there or called, and he was in there, and then somebody had the phone number and called him, and he didn't answer either. So I see another dinghy racing. Came out of the marina. We still have some pretty good wind gusts. Oh, they're trying to pull it. I'm not sure what they're doing. It's hard to tell this distance. Well, Gary's got one more story to talk about. Jeez, never a dull moment around on the Maracudja. Always an adventure. Okay, must have worked. This is pretty cool to see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dinghies, like an army of dinghies all together. They're like racing. It's pretty cool. Oh, they're pulling the dinghy, the sailboat.
Thank you.
They're pulling the sailboat back. Oh, here's Gary.
Wow, that was fun. Oh,
Jeez.
swivel broke.
Oh.
No anchor.
No, the anchor's in there?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, the anchor's in the water.
No keys in the ignition. No control for the windlass. It's like I couldn't do anything really. And
I see somebody's pulling it.
yeah, it's the marina.
Oh, it's a marina.
St. Louis got the bigger 70
Oh, okay,
horsepower.
okay. Oh, that's nice of
Yeah, so and the guy's French, I guess.
Oh, is he?
Franck.
Franck, okay. Is he back on the boat?
No, they said he's probably.
No, they tried
Oh.
calling Grenada Marina, no answer. Another place where he goes to, he's not there. They called him on the WhatsApp. Apparently he never responded to the WhatsApp.
Boy, there's some lucky boats out here. He drifted.
Yeah.
He missed us. And then he went between those two.
Yep. I thought he was gonna hit that great catamaran.
Oh man, they were freaking out. They were letting chain out and backing both engines down. That was like crazy.
Yeah. So now where are they pulling it to?
I don't know. They couldn't find a spare anchor on the boat either. They try to do something. So I think they're going to try to get him out of the waves and shallow water.
Okay.
Somebody's going to get a spare anchor. That
Boat,
just shows
maybe.
you why you leave your keys in your.
Yeah, you're right.
You're not here, and your boat starts going away. You want somebody to. Okay, what are we doing now? Cushion.
No, I'm gonna wait a little bit. I got a headache, a stress headache. Oh my God, I was shaking.
But two guys, a young guy and an old guy, had to pull up to 200 feet of chain, and they were struggling just with the chain.
Wow.
No anchor.
No anchor, just a chain.
Yeah.
Wow.
And the old guy said, "Why am I doing this shit at this age?" And the young guy said, "You jumped on." Yeah, those young guys, they got the stamina, that's for sure.
Yeah, I mean, I got on the radio and I asked for help. When Jeff came by, I said, people need, you guys, somebody needs to go help out over there. My husband went there, but he can't do it. Jeff jumped on his dinghy, went out there.
Jeff says that he said, I only have less than a gallon of gas. That's why I'm kind of, and he ran all the way to Port Louis and back.
He did?
Yeah, to find the guy, so. Nice people in the boating.
Yeah, yeah.
Where was he?
He was in front of us.
I know, but maybe he can find his anchor.
Oh, yeah. Finally, a boater loaned his anchor, which was attached to the dragging sailboat.
Gary and I dove in front of Maracudja and found the anchor. And later, our friends Jeff and Mary Lou retrieved the anchor and returned it to its proper owner. Frank was very appreciative and gave us a nice bottle of rum that we shared with Jeff, Mary Lou, and other friends. Thankfully, the story has a happy ending.
The whole thing, but here we're Gary's gonna explain what we just did.
Well, our main coolant circulation pump, the seal went out.
For the water pump?
So, yeah, it's a
For the engine?
Yep. So the seals went out on it. It's probably original, but luckily we had an extra pump. But we put it in and the heater hose connectors didn't fit, and I went to Island Water World and they did not have any, but the guy over there, I think his name was Patrick, was so nice. He brought me to 2 local machine shops, and they actually machined the water pump to accept the tapered fitting right here that we had. So we are ready to fire it up and see if we have any leaks.
Yeah.
Hopefully we don't.
You had to remove all the coolant out of the engine
Oh yeah.
and install the new thing, and then we are putting it back in. Well, we just did. We just put all the coolant back in. I had to pour it from the bucket. We were using a a cup and pour it back into the hole. I'll show you where the hole is.
We're reusing the coolant because we just changed it like 2 weeks ago.
Yeah, it's the same coolant. So I had this little little cup there I cut up, and then I was ducking it there and then pouring it. Oh, Gary's closed it up now, but this is the top here, and there was a funnel in there. So it was like one eye pouring it into the funnel. So let's see if it's gonna work.
Yep, there you go.
What a nice little place. The kids are having fun. They're jumping in the water. Doing little races, swimming. It's a nice family place. We are way down there. Well, not way down there, but where the sailboats are.
The boating life. It's not for everybody.
Come on, before we leave.
Poor guys. So hot. All in black.
It's hot. It's like crazy hot.
Yes. Very good. Thank you. What's your name? What's your name?
Huh?
What's your name?
Steven, but you can call me Swaggy.
Swaggy. Good job.
Hey, nice.
In the next episode, we get a group of friends together to hike the Seven Sisters waterfalls. Through the pouring rain and down a slippery trail, hiking through the tropical jungle of Grenada is not for the faint of heart. But we all made it, and what a thrill it was. Come with us on our next adventure. Please click the like button if you liked this video, and remember to subscribe. Thanks for watching.